365 plus ICU shots on the ICU channel. So those who are new to the channel, we post two types of contents on the ICU channel. One are the long videos and the others are the short videos. The short videos are known by the name ICU shorts, and we have posted 365 of them. So it means one complete year. Means if somebody starts watching ICU short on day 1 on January 1st of this year, it will take 31st December to complete all the ICU shots, and those are 60 to 90 seconds short clips with crisp concepts, so that the information is conveyed in a very short period of time and it is a practical one. But over a period of these 365 days of posting, we have posted this over a period of 1.5 years because there were gaps in between, but now we are posting it on daily basis. So based on your feedback, based on your comments, based on our experience, we are seeing a lot of things which needs to be updated on this ICU shots, and today's video is about them. So first of all, I'll tell what was the good thing about these ICU shots or short clips which are posting. The good thing, as usual, I note down all the things here so that there is no point missing while making this video. The good thing was that it gives a very crisp information within a very short period of time, and it was reaching to many people across the world. People are scrolling and it comes up and it provides a very short info. It was liked by many people, especially the doctors and physicians and nurses and staff who in their busy schedule are seeing, if don't have the time to listen to the long lectures, they can easily see these short clips and get the information updated. So, and also on both on especially on the YouTube, we were getting a special recognition of hashtag ICU short nowadays. So if you type hashtag ICU short, the list of ICU shorts come up. Also on the ICU channel, there is a separate playlist on YouTube for ICU shorts. Now there were some things which we felt over this period of 1.5 year of posting over these 365 ICU shots, which we wanted to improve, and some of them were suggestions from you all. So the first thing which we felt is the limitation of the time. Earlier, the shots, ICU shots, were only of 60 seconds. Very recently, the YouTube and the Instagram have updated the timeline for posting more than 60 seconds up to 180 seconds, 3 minutes. But earlier days, it was very limited period of time, 60 seconds. We need to push, or we need to condense this in 60 seconds, and we need to provide that info. And then at the end of every video, every short we say, do read more about it. But many of you have asked that where to read more about it. So because of the time limitation, we were not able to tell you from where to read about it, whether it's a book or it's an online reference or it's another video. So this was the limitations which we're having. Second, limitations was of the links are not clickable. Like the yesterday one, in which we told about the ICU short 365, where there was an article on the light sensitive drugs which needs to be given by PhotoGuard. Now it was a beautiful article, but we were not able to post the link. Even if we post the links in the comments or the description, it is not clickable, and sometimes the links are very large enough, so typing that with very special symbols is not feasible. So even if we post the links, because of the policies of the platform YouTube or Instagram, the links are not clickable, so you're not able to reach to the resource which even we post on the channel. So links are not clickable. That was a error. Third thing which we felt is, at certain times in those ICU shots, we felt the need of posting in images and a little bit of drawing or little bit of labeling in those things. But because of the limitations and because of the time limitations and the format of those vertical videos, it was not possible to pop up an image and grab an attention and then draw something and explain you in a better way. So this was feeling. Fourth was the comments which you are posting on the YouTube ICU shorts, and even for that matter on the Insta. The comments were getting hidden, not getting that much exposure. While in the long videos, the comments get a better exposure and we are able to interact more freely with you on those comments. So the comments were not getting that much, that much of exposure from your side. Means Many of you have felt that in long videos you read the comments, in short videos the comments usually get hidden, sort of thing. Nobody reads them in that with that much intensity. And fifth point which we have found that in the search engine, the search of the of a topic, the search of the topic when you do on the YouTube, the title of the ICU shots which we are giving was not giving that much relevance. So when you type or want to search a certain topic in the YouTube, quite possible that that ICU shot is not popping up in the list. So that becomes a challenge if somebody wants to get a reference of certain ICU shot. That's why we number them. So if somebody asks them, we tell them go to this ICU shot numbers this and this, and you will find this. And the sixth, which I personally felt, is that there was a lack of personal communication or personal interaction with you all. I was not getting time to give credit to the member who asked the questions, or somebody who has suggested me resource, or somebody who has updated something, or one-to-one a little bit of casual discussion in those ICU shots. So these were the problems which were, I would not say problem, these were the things which we felt it needs to be upgraded. So I'm happy to tell you that after posting 365 ICU shots, so next year begins technically, but we'll continue the numbering with 366, 367, but we are now upgrading the ICU shot pattern. So what we'll do, the best solution which me and my team has come up is, we'll post the videos in the long landscape format. We'll continue to post ICU shots, but they will not be in the vertical scrolling pattern now. They will be in a landscape mode video. The duration of this video will remain between 60 seconds to 180 seconds, not more than that. Usually we keep it somewhere around 1 to 2 minutes, not beyond that. And if they go beyond 3 minutes, we'll not call as ICU shot. We'll continue to have regular long videos like that. But we'll try to cover up in this 1 to 3 minutes. Some videos can be less than 1 minute also, so that you can view in it. So what problems it will solve to us? Firstly, in that we can tell you where to read more about in videos. If not, we can post the clickable links in the description and in the comments, so that if we are not able to tell in the video where to read about it or where is the reference, we can post the link in the comment section or in the description, so you can go and read more about it. Secondly, if it is possible for me to add certain images and have a certain sketch around it to explain you a little bit better in a better format to make the clarity more important, your comments will be heard more. Now, other people can also be able to understand the comments and interact more with you all people. And obviously, it will help you to reach to them in a better way through the search engine. And the last part, which I feel is important, I will have a more personal connection with you all. So this is the newer version. You can say the ICU short version 2 sort of thing, which is coming. All other things remain the same. They will continue to be called ICU shorts, short videos. In the YouTube, our ICU channel on the YouTube, they will come up in the, though they will come up in the long videos, but we have a playlist dedicated for them, which is called as ICU shorts. So if you want to go through all ICU shorts, you just go to the ICU channel on YouTube and then go to the playlist and click the ICU shorts playlist. You will have all the ICU shorts posted, whether long, short, videos, any format like that. So this is something which we are going to try out, and soon we'll post the first one in that series. And if you have any suggestion, more suggestion, do post in the comment section. If you have any further ideas which you feel we have left it, which we can incorporate in these ICU shots, do post it. How do you like this thinking or thought process behind upgrading our ICU shots? Do post in the comment section. And thank you for making ICU shots a regular phenomena or regular thing to read more about it. And thank you for watching. And again, please do provide all your suggestions in the comment section, so that we can improve further. Thank you, and see you soon in the first ICU shot of this pattern very soon. It will be ICU shot number 366. Thank you.